Good morning, this is Yuki and I have some time this morning and I've decided to make some videos to drop some alphas when I think it's worth it. So for my first alpha video, I want to talk about Seipex Finance. Seipex Finance is a project on SEI network. It's basically a team of hardcore dev building tons of new tools on the SEI network. There isn't much yet on the website right now, but as you can see, you can already check for rug pool. And because you know my love for milli, I wanted to try it with milli's pool address. Let's see what we get. As expected, milli has outstanding results. So you get a complete breakdown with all the important numbers regarding milli. Seipex Finance just launched their own NFT, which is called Seipex Finance Founders Pass. It was listed at 100 SEI and it sold out almost instantly. They are now trading at more than 1500 on Palette. But don't panic, you actually don't need the Seipex Founders Pass to use their main tool, which is a sniping tool to buy in very early on any new crypto dropping on the SEI network. And I'm going to show you how that works. For that, you will need to access the Discord. I'll put the link on the description. Once you're there, you need to find the Seipex Predator bot on the right side of your screen. And you will need to send that bot one simple command, which is !register. Once you've clicked enter, you will have to follow some instruction. The bot will create for you a new wallet. It will also give you the seed phrase attached to this wallet for you to be in charge of the security of this wallet. So don't lose it. Once this wallet is created, you can choose to import it in Compass for easy management or leave it as it is and do everything from the Seipex Discord. Now that you have created this wallet, you will need to send 1 million SPEX to this wallet. 1 million SPEX at the time of the video is roughly 20 SEI, which is close to nothing to get access to these perks. You probably will make this money back in a few snipes. So to be able to send some Seipex, you first need to buy some Seipex. So you can go to the CoinAll or Astroport website, connect your Compass wallet, trade some SEI for some Seipex, send 1 million to that new wallet created by the bot. As soon as you have 1 million SPEX on your new wallet, this will unlock all the juicy channels. The next step is for you to put some SEI in this wallet to be able to use the sniping bot. And that's it, guys. Once you have access to the new pool channel, you will then get a notification every time a new pool is created on the SEI network and be able to snipe 5, 10, 20, 50 or even 100 SEI worth of this new token. And shout out to myself for calling it a few days ago. Basically, this is how it works. You buy here now and you'll be able to sell here when everybody else is FOMOing. And the chart of Seipex itself is not looking too bad. With demand increasing and people realizing the power of this tool, it's only a matter of time till this token actually moves. So get in now and start sniping. I wish you all make good profit out of it. And remember, none of this was financial advice. So be safe and don't forget to have fun. Cheers!